Hello students, so today we will discuss exercise 3.3 which is substitution method. In last lecture I have told you that there are three types of methods to solve pair of linear equations in algebraic expression. The first one is substitution, second one is elimination, and third one is cross multiplication. So today we will discuss substitution methods. Let's see exercise number 3.3 question number first as an example that how we will solve this with substitution method. Okay, so first question is x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, now take this equation as 1 and 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now from equation first, what is first? X plus y is equal to 14. So x will be 14 minus y. We will transfer this y this side, so x will be 14 minus y. This is our third equation. Okay, now substitute this value in equation second, means the third equation should be put in second. So what was our second? X minus y is equal to 4. Now x is 14 minus y, so in place of x we can write 14 minus y. So right there 14 minus y is equal to 4. Okay, now 14 minus y, when bracket will be open, no sign will be changed. Now minus y 2 times, so minus 2y is equal to 4. This 14 will be go this side, so 4 minus 14 minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 14, it will minus 10, minus will be cancel both side, so 2y is equal to 10. Now y is equal to 10 upon 2. This is here in multiplication, so here it will be in division, so y is equal to 5. So we get one value, y is equal to 5. Now put y is equal to 5 in second equation. Okay, put y is equal to 5 in second equation. So x plus y is equal to 14. What was our second equation? Sorry, our second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Now put y value 5, so x minus 5 is equal to 4, so x is equal to 4 plus 5, so x is equal to 9. So we get one value 5 and one value 9. If we want to put this y is equal to 5 in 1 also, we will get same answer. Let's see, x plus y is equal to 14. This is our first equation. If we put y value 5, x plus 5 is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Again we get 9. So after finding any one variable solution, you can put in first or second, whatever you want to put. Okay, there is no choice that only in second, only second you can put, or only one you can put. You can put in both the equations. Okay, so next type of question is question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Hence find the value of m. Find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So first one is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, which will be our first equation. Second one is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. This will be our second equation. Now we can use first equation to make third equation. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. We can write it as 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Here it is positive, that side it will give negative sign. So x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. This is our third equation. Now put third in second. So 2 into x, besides x we can write 11 minus 3y upon 2. Okay, minus 4y and is equal to minus 24. So this 2 will be cancelled from this, and 11 minus 3 and minus 4, it will give minus 7y is equal to minus 24. So minus 7y is equal to minus 24, and this plus 11 will go there and give minus. So minus 7y is equal to minus 35. Minus and minus will be cancelled out. Y is equal to 35 upon 7. So what we will get y value? 5. Now put y is equal to 5 in any equation, whatever you want. So in first equation I am putting, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. 2x plus 3 into y will be 5. 2x 5 3 15 is equal to 11. Now 2x will be 11 minus 15. So 2x is equal to minus 4, and x will give minus 4 upon 2. So x value is minus 2. Okay. Now we have to calculate the value of m, which is given as an expression y is equal to mx plus 3. So we have y value as 5, m into x value as minus 2 plus 3. This plus 3 will go that side, minus 3 and minus 2m. Now this will give 2 is equal to minus 2m. M will be 2 upon minus 2, and the answer of m will be minus 1. So this type, so by this method you can easily solve any pair of linear equations. Let's see some problem questions on substitution method. Okay, question number 3. First question is, the difference between two number is 26 and one number is thrice. I am writing questions 2. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find the sum. Okay, so first of all we have to let solution. Let the first number be x and the other number be y, such that y should be greater than x. Means y value will always be greater than x. So according to question is saying the difference between two number is 26. Means y minus x is 26, because y is greater, so we will take y minus x is equal to 26. So we get first equation. Difference between two number is 26, and one number is thrice times the other. So one number is y is equal to thrice times other. It means y is equal to 3x. Okay, now we will use this y minus 3x is equal to 0, and this will give us second equation. Now it is pair of linear equations. Now we can solve easily. Y minus x is equal to 26, so y is equal to 26 plus x. This is our third. Now put third in second. So what is third? Y is equal to 26 plus x, and we will put this in y minus 3x is equal to 0. So replace this y with 26 plus x. 26 plus x minus 3x is equal to 0, and 26 will go that side. X minus 3x is equal to minus 26, and minus 2x is equal to minus 26. Minus minus cancel out. X is equal to 26 by 2, and x will get 13. Now put x is equal to 13 in first equation. So y minus x is equal to 26 and x is equal to 13. So x minus 13 is equal to 26, and y is equal to 26 plus 13. X value is 39. So here our first number is 39. Sorry, here our second number is 39, means y is equal to 39, which we have let second number, and first number is x, which is 13, first number. So by the help of substitution method, we will solve all the pair of linear equations in this exercise. So in next lecture, we will discuss about elimination method. Thank you.